Hello everyone, welcome to HTML tutorials for beginners on Coding Eye. Let's get started. If you take extension of HTML, that is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the markup language. Generally we talk about programming languages. Those all are Java, JavaScript, C, C++, Python, etc. But HTML is the markup language. There is a difference between the programming language and the markup language. Let's understand what is a markup language. Markup language is a computer language which is consisting of keywords, names, tags, which help us to easily understand and format the overall structure of the web page which we are seeing on the browsers like Chrome, Mozilla, etc. Here are examples. Those all are HTML and XML. These computer languages we call as a markup languages. Now take an example. Hello guys, welcome to Coding Eye. Here Coding Eye text is wrapped between a tag that we called as a bold tag. If you remove this tag and render the statement using the HTML on the browser, it will look like this. Hello guys, welcome to Coding Eye. The text without bold. Here if you use this text in the bold, you will see like this. Hello guys, welcome to Coding Eye. The Coding Eye text is highlighted with the bold. This is how HTML will help us. It will just format the data which we wanted on the web browsers. Now let's see what is HTML. HTML is a standard markup language for building a web pages. It helps us to structure our web pages and content. HTML elements are building blocks for any website which we are seeing on the web browsers. Now in our daily life we use many web pages and we browse many web pages. Let's say Flipkart. Flipkart is a website which is made up with the HTML. On the right hand side you will see this is a HTML syntax. Similarly, all our web pages which we are browsing on the browsers are made up of with the HTML. Here Netflix also made up of with the HTML. That HTML code you are seeing on the right hand side. Now let's see why HTML is required. HTML will allow us to create and structure web pages. Using HTML we can create sections, headings, links, paragraphs and many more. These all we will discuss in further videos, and these things we will see generally in our web pages while we are browsing. Here on web page everything can be done by using a specific tags and codes in HTML. This is a sample HTML page and this is a sample HTML code. Here these 12 lines are HTML syntax. This syntax we will clearly discuss in further videos. Now questions are, who can learn HTML and is there any prerequisite or any coding knowledge is required to learn HTML? Now see answer. Answer is anyone can learn HTML. Also, no coding knowledge is required to learn HTML. So we have prerequisites for this course is no prerequisites. So anyone can start learning HTML easily. What are opportunities you will get by learning HTML? There are number of opportunities. HTML is a key skill and valuable skill for front-end engineers in the industry. Also, it is a great choice to start with and begin your career as a front-end developer in the IT industry. So, there are many opportunities are open if you start learning HTML. If you take a course syllabus, first we will start with the basic HTML tags. Then after we will discuss few advanced HTML tags. Then we will also cover HTML5 features in detail. At the end, we will build a complete project using only HTML. Also we use few CSS properties, but we don't do much on the CSS in this course. If you take a playlist, we have two channels, that is a Coding Eye. In our Coding Eye channel, we have HTML tutorials for beginners series. This is covered in the English and this playlist will be in the English. Also, we will cover concepts and interview questions as shorts in English. In our Coding Eye Telugu channel, here we will cover HTML tutorials for beginners, playlist in Telugu. Also, we will cover HTML concepts and interview questions as shorts in Telugu. Please do subscribe to our channels Coding Eye and Coding Eye Telugu. Let's learn HTML together.